This is beans. And those are my other beans. The peas are doing amazing. Tomatoes there. I think that's rosemary growing in those little pods there. Carrots are growing up. Pie pumpkin's going crazy. Might have to thin that, I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. Thyme is growing good. Well, maybe not too much. And there's a chive growing this morning too. That's cool. I put like 30 seeds in there. And then these garlic, they were sitting on my counter. Had one little green sprout. And I'm like, yeah, I'll peel it open and grow it. Turns out there's 7 of them. Nothing on the tomatoes yet. Let's move the camera here. But I think they take a little bit to get in there. My potato. There's some growth on there, which is cool. Wilty garlic. I don't know what's going on there. I should research this stuff, you know. And down here, I'm trying to grow something special. No, it's not illegal. So that's my garden update. I'll show you next week.